In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use document versions in Clio Manage. To get started, sign in to your Clio Manage account. Once you're in, take a moment to make sure you're on the main dashboard, so it's easy to navigate to the correct section. This process is helpful anytime you need to keep track of updates to the same document without losing earlier copies. From the left-hand sidebar, click on Documents. This will take you to the area where your files are stored and managed. If you work with contracts, letters, forms, or other case-related files, this is where you'll be able to access the document you want to update. Next, open the specific document you want to manage. Make sure you've selected the correct file before moving forward, especially if there are several documents with similar names. Opening the document first is important because version control is tied directly to that file. Once the document is open, look over to the right-hand side of the screen and find the version history panel. This is where Clio Manage keeps a record of the different uploaded versions of that document. It gives you a clear timeline of updates, which can be very useful when you need to confirm what changed or when a revision was added. To upload an updated copy, click the plus button in the version history panel. This tells Clio that you want to add a new version to the existing document rather than creating a completely separate file. That distinction is helpful for keeping everything organized in one place. After that, select the updated file from your computer. Choose the most current version you want to store. It's a good idea to double-check the file before selecting it so you can avoid uploading the wrong draft by mistake. Then go ahead and upload the new version. Once the upload is complete, Clio Manage will attach it to the existing document record and preserve the earlier versions in the history. Now, review the version history panel to see all uploaded versions. You should be able to confirm that the newest file appears in the list along with any previous ones. This makes it easier to track changes over time and maintain a clean document record. If you need to compare or revisit an older draft, simply open a previous version from the version history. That gives you a quick way to review past content without disrupting the latest version you're actively using. Thanks for watching.